Hello everyone, welcome to CodeChef. Myself Jwala Charasya, and today we are going to solve the problem which came into starters 210. The name of the problem is profits and the problem code is profit. The difficulty rating of the problem is cakewalk and the prerequisite is ad hoc. Let's start with reading the problem statement over here. So guys, problem says chef is running a lemonade stand and each lemonade cost him rupees X to make. Chef will have n total customers coming to his lemonade stand today with the ith customer willing to spend rupees I on a lemonade. So the first customer is willing to spend rupees 1, the second rupees 2, the third rupees 3 and so on. For each customer, chef can choose whether to accept and provide him with lemonade at the amount he is willing to pay or reject him. Find the maximum profit chef can make, ignore any other cost. Input format. The first line of input will contain a single integer t denoting the number of test cases. The first and only line of each test case contains two integers n and x. Output format. For each test case, output on a new line, the maximum profit chef can make. Constraint for t lies from 1 to 100 for n comma x lies from 1 to 100. So guys, now let's understand the sample test case in the question more precisely over here. So guys, this question is very much straightforward. It says that chef is running a lemonade stand and each lemonade cost him some X rupees. And there are in total N total customers and with ith customer willing to pay rupees I. So every customer keeps on increasing by 1 rupee. Okay. So first customer will pay 1, the second will pay rupees 2 and 3. So for each customer, chef can choose whether he will accept that customer or not. Okay. And this way you have to find the maximum profit chef can make. Okay. Let's take the first test case. We've got N, X, 5 and 2. 2 rupees is the total cost uh for each lemonade. Okay, so we know that there are in total five consumers. So the cost would be what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, consumer one will pay 1 rupee, two will 2 rupee, three will four and all. Okay, so I can see that if one lemonade costs him 2 rupees, so I cannot take lesser than it. So I will never take customer one, and all of them I can take. I can take 2, 3, 4, and 5 all. So in total, so the cost for four lemonade would be 2 into 4, which will tends to 8, right? And the sum of this would be what 14. So 14 minus 8 equal to 6 will be the profit, as you can see. So guys, I think the test cases are pretty much clear. Now let's move toward the simple solution. Each lemonade has a constant x cost x to make. So for customer I, if you send them away, you make profit of 0 since nothing was made and nothing was sold. If you choose to sell to them, you earn I but lose x but from making the lemonade for an overall profit of I minus x. Since the choice can be made for each customer independently, it's clearly only profitable to sell to those customers for whom I minus x is greater than 0, that is I greater than x, right? So the answer is simply summation of I equal to x plus 1 to 10 till n I minus x. An equivalent way of writing is this. So the above summation is easily implemented in linear type with a simple loop. Okay, simple guys. So guys, I think the solution is pretty much clear. Now let's move toward the simple C++ code. So this is my simple C++ code. Took the input for all the test cases as well as n comma x. I initialize answer equal to 0. I'm running a for loop and I'm doing answer plus or maximum 0 comma I minus x, and at the last I'm simply printing my answer. And as you can see that guys, I have got my C++ code. Right now let's move towards my Python code. So this is my simple Python code. I took the input for all the test cases as well as n comma x. I initialize answer equal to 0. I'm running a for loop and doing my operation, getting the max in my answer, and at the last I'm simply printing my answer. And as you can see that guys, I have got my Python code right. So guys, I think the solution, the code and the approach is pretty much clear. Now let's meet in the next video. Thank you so much guys for watching our videos.